Here is the cleanest way to find this derivative step by step. It is given that y is equal to square root of x plus a minus root of x minus a whole square by root of x square minus a square, where x is greater than a is greater than 0. That is, both x and a are positive and x is greater than a. Let us consider the given expression root of x plus a minus root of x minus a whole square whole divided by root of x square minus a square. Let us expand the numerator using a minus b whole square formula, where a is root of x plus a and b is root of x minus a. Therefore, y becomes root of x plus a whole square means x plus a, plus b square means root of x minus a whole square is x minus a, minus 2ab, that is 2 into root of x plus a into root of x minus a, divided by root of x square minus a square as it is. Now x plus x is equal to 2x and a minus a is equal to 0, and root of x plus a into root of x minus a is nothing but root of x square minus a square. That is, y is equal to x plus x 2x and a is eliminated minus 2 as it is, and root of x plus a into x minus a. We know that x plus a into x minus a is x square minus a square divided by root of x square minus a square as it is. Let us simplify further. We have 2x by root of x square minus a square minus 2 into root of x square minus a square by root of x square minus a square. Here x square minus a square is eliminated. Therefore, y is equal to 2x by root of x square minus a square minus 2. Now let us differentiate y is equal to 2x by root of x square minus a square minus 2. That is, dy by dx is equal to 2 constant as it is into d by dx of x by root of x square minus a square minus d by dx of 2. Of course, this is nothing but 0. So this implies that we have dy by dx is equal to 2 into, here in the first term we can apply the quotient rule to differentiate this expression. So we have denominator, which is root of x square minus a square, into d by dx of numerator, that is d by dx of x, minus numerator, that is x, into d by dx of denominator, that is d by dx of root of x square minus a square, whole divided by denominator square. Denominator is root of x square minus a square whole square here, minus d by dx of 2 is 0. Now we get dy by dx as 2 into root of x square minus a square as it is, and derivative of x is 1, minus x into d by dx of root of x square minus a square is nothing but 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square. We have to apply chain rule, that is into d by dx of x square minus a square, which is nothing but 2x, and derivative of a square is 0, whole divided by root of x square minus a square whole square is nothing but x square minus a square. Now let us take the LCM here as root of x square minus a square, and 2 is eliminated here, and we have x into x is x square, and when we take this root of x square minus a square as LCM, we get root of x square minus a square into root of x square minus a square, which is nothing but x square minus a square, minus x into x is x square here, and as I have already told you, 2 is eliminated, and divided by, we have x square minus a square, and the term which we took LCM is root of x square minus a square comes to denominator here. Now let us further simplify this. Here x square minus x square is 0, so we get minus 2a square in the numerator, and in the denominator we have x square minus a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 into x square minus a square whole to the power of 1, which is nothing but x square minus a square whole to the power of half plus 1, which is 3 by 2. This is the required derivative, that is dy by dx is equal to minus 2a square by x square minus a square whole to the power of 3 by 2. If this derivative trick helped you, don't forget to like the video. Share it with your friends who are preparing for JEE, CBSE or Karnataka CET. Subscribe for more smart math solutions every day and drop your doubts or thoughts in the comments.